Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Muskan and I hope you all are safe and doing great. So if you're watching my video for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my videos prior notification. In today's video, I'm going to share around 9 to 10 questions with you guys which is frequently asked by an interviewer in cabin crew interview. The question which I'm going to share today with you all are some questions which my airline asked me during my interview and some question I have googled and gathered from my friend working with other airlines. So those who want to become and preparing for cabin crew jobs, these bunch of questions will help you guys to get an idea that what kind of basic question an interviewer asks during the time of interview. So here I have piled up some questions for you guys which I'm going to share in today's video. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. Guys, the first question is tell us about yourself, or we can say introduce yourself. Guys, it's a very easy and important question because आप interview के लिए अगर कहीं पे भी जाते हैं at any organization, the first question which they are going to ask you is about yourself only. And guys, one suggestion from my side, keep your answer short and simple. I have seen people overemphasizing, like they'll start telling about themselves, their interests, their education, qualification, about their family and a lot of things. They keep it very long. Guys, keep your answer short and simple because आप ही वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए नहीं गए हो, वहाँ पे और लोग भी अपने टर्न का वेट कर रहे हैं एंड अगर आपका आंसर इतना टाइम कंज्यूम करेगा सो इट विल नॉट लीव अ गुड इम्पैक्ट ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर. सो जस्ट कीप इट शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल सो दैट इंटरव्यूअर को भी आपके आंसर में इंटरेस्ट आए. As per me, about yourself, about your qualification and your hobbies are enough to answer this question. Second question is, why do you want to become a cabin crew? Guys, everyone has their own reason and story. Like some want to become a cabin crew because they are inspired by something or someone. But I'm telling you, never give this answer that I want to become a cabin crew because it's my childhood dream, it's my dream to become a cabin crew. Because this single sentence answer is not gonna help you. So guys, I'm sharing an example with you, just an example. Like I love to travel a lot and I'm not a 9 to 7 job person and many more things. So how I'm going to framing all this together and presenting in front of the interview, that's going to help me and that will matters a lot. So this is how you have to present your answer in front of the interviewer. Just ask yourself that why you want to become a cabin crew, you will get your answer. Third question is, tell us about your strength and weaknesses. Guys, one suggestion from my side, never focus on your weaknesses, never present your weaknesses in front of the interviewer. Always try to focus on your strength because as per me, interviewers can judge you by your weaknesses. So be a bit vigilant while answering this question. Fourth question is, tell me something about our airline. Guys, whenever you are going for an interview, do read about the airline. Everything is available on the Wikipedia because it's an important question. Every airline asks this question like, tell me something about our company. So just go through it once, read thoroughly about the airline background just for a safer side. Fifth question is, do you have any achievements? In this question, you can share your achievement in any field. Like I have shared my achievement, like I was into sports and they find it interesting. So you can share your like this also. Okay guys, so the sixth question is something which my airline asked me at the time of my interview and the question was, tell me about yourself in 10 words, or we can say introduce yourself in 10 words. Now it's a very kind of tricky question but it's very easy to answer this question. All you have to do is just tell you about yourself in this way. I am honest, punctual, hardworking, confident. Like in this way you have to answer this question. 10 good or bad things about you. If your interviewer is asking you like introduce yourself in 10 words, you have to just tell about yourself that I am honest, punctual, hardworking, confident. And आगे आपको जो जो उसको ऐड करना है. सो इस तरीके से आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना है. ये सुनने में काफ़ी ट्रिकी है बट आंसर इसका बहुत ही ईजी है करने में. सो जस्ट नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन एज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Seventh question is, do you have any past job experience? In this case, you can share about your past job. And guys, if you have any experience, they may ask you कि आप वो job क्यों छोड़ना चाहते हैं, आप हमारी airline क्यों join करना चाहते हैं. So in this case, just be very vigilant. आप जो भी answer उन्हें दें, make sure कि वो fake ना हो और उनको वो reasonable लगे, so that वो आपको hire करें. Okay guys, so the cabin crew job timing is something which is not fixed. For example, if I'm operating morning flight today, maybe tomorrow I'll operate night flight. Maybe day after tomorrow I'll operate evening flight. So it's like this. It's not fixed कि अगर हम इतने बजे जाएंगे तो इतने बजे वापस आ जाएंगे. It's not like 9 to 7 का job. So the 8th question which an interviewer may ask you that are you comfortable with the timings? क्या आप ऐसे किसी भी टाइम पे काम कर सकते हो, बिकॉज ये कोई भी 9 to 7 की जॉब नहीं है. आपको कभी भी फ्लाइट के लिए बुलाया जा सकता है. इट कैन बी मॉर्निंग, इट कैन बी इवनिंग, इट कैन बी नाइट ऑल्सो. सो आर यू कंफर्टेबल डूइंग दिस वर्क? सो इसका आंसर आपको अपने वे में करना है, वो आप खुद डिसाइड करेंगे कि आपको इसका आंसर क्या करना है. सो दिस इज़ द 8th क्वेश्चन विच एन इंटरव्यूअर कैन आस्क यू. Okay, so the 9th question is, what skills are important for flight attendant as per you? For example, if I am answering this question, it will be like, as per me, a cabin crew should have a good communication skills in both English or Hindi. A cabin crew should be confident enough to handle any situation. If they are having good communication skills, they can handle any situation very easily and quickly. So these are some skills which are important for being a flight attendant. So this is how you have to answer this question, and you have to put your point in front of the interviewer and present your answer in this way. So it's just an example so that आपको एक idea मिल जाए कि आप कैसे अपना आंसर उनके सामने present कर सकते हो. Okay, so the 10th question is, they can ask you about your education qualification, like what you are pursuing. So for this you can just share that what you are pursuing, what are your qualification. You can share this in your way. Okay guys, so there are a lot of questions that an interview asks at the time of interview. I have shared only 10 questions with you guys in today's video because it's not possible for me to share all the questions asked by the interview in one video. It's just a part 1. I'll make more video on that. And guys, the main motto of asking all this question is just to know that how your communication skills are. They just want to check your communication skills. That's why they ask you all this question. They ask you all this question just to detect your communication skills, that are you good in communicating or not. So that's why they ask you all these questions. Okay guys, so I have shared 10 questions with you all in today's video, and I'm going to share more. Till then, please cover up these 10 questions because there are a lot of questions which an interviewer asks, because उनके मन में जो आता है वो पूछते हैं. But for your preparation, I am going to make video on that. And guys, this is all for today. I hope you guys like this video and find this video helpful. If yes, then do like and share this video. Share it with your friends who want to become cabin crew. And yeah guys, if you want to ask something, you can comment down in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care, and best of luck for your interviews.